In this episode, we're going to learn about comparing schools past and present. School today looks a lot different than it did even 100 years ago. So let's take a look at how they are different. When you go to school today, you put everything in your backpack. But long ago, they used a book strap to carry their books to school. If you bring lunch, you might bring it in a lunchbox that looks like this. This is what a lunchbox looked like long ago. How is it different than what we use today? Getting to school was somewhat different. Today, we walk, take a car, or ride a bus. Long ago, students walked to school or rode a horse. When we write out our answers on paper, we use pencils or pens. But long ago, they would use chalk to write on their own chalkboard. Schools were also different. Today, we are separated by grade level in one building. Long ago, all grades were together in one room. Today, when we go out to recess, we play on the playground equipment. But long ago, they didn't have playground equipment. They would play the other games in a field. Schools are different today than it was long ago, though one thing we all had in common is that we went to school to learn. Now that you've seen the differences, was there anything that surprised you? I hope you liked this lesson on schools long ago and today. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you want to learn more.